to discuss about the productivity improvement in TIG welding, especially with SWOT and other additive advantages that we have.
Okay.
We will begin with the standard process TIG. It's a very good process. It's cleanest. It looks very good. Has no spatters and can do all position welding.
Yeah.
The only challenge here is that it tends to be slightly slow. So how do we make this a faster process is a challenge that people typically face, and they feel it is slow because of a couple of reasons. The arc stiffness is low. You need a low depth. It has a low depth of penetration. It has a larger HAZ. It requires a skill welder, and every time you are filling in a manual wire and it finishes, you have to re-add the stop to pick up the next filler wire. So this is where your process becomes slower and little more expensive. So if we look at it, just a second, sir. I have put Praveerji you on mute. When you have a question, please unmute and ask. Okay. Now, if we are looking at filler metal that we feed right now manually, you have to use different sizes of filler materials: 1.6, 2.4, 3.2, depending on the thicknesses. For each pass, you keep changing your filler meter diameter. And after the 1 meter length is over, you have to stop and restart the welding because he has to add the second filler wire. Now these places where you stop start, there you have an overlap where you have to restart, and that is where the problems of lack of fusion or lack of penetration usually occur. Also, because there is a 1 meter long cut length, at the end of the cut length of around 4 inches at the end, the operator has to throw it away and pick up a new one. So that is also a waste of consumable, which is typically 4 inches per cut length of a meter. This can result in something like a 10% waste of filler wire material. Also, each time you want to replace the filler wire, you need a helper to change the filler wire and also to change current levels, etc.